Hello, SCJ friends. We're here again to solve the problem of our dear client. Due to an unexpected issue with their Samsung S23 Ultra cell phone, they reported that it suddenly stopped functioning properly, specifically with the touch function becoming unresponsive. Because of this, they quickly looked for a repairman to address the issue, and that's where we came in. After we fix this problem, I'll give them a big surprise. At this time, I will show you how we will replace the LCD of this unit. Just a reminder to everyone, I am not claiming that this video demonstrates the correct way to replace the LCD of this type of unit. This is simply my method, which I believe is more effective in avoiding any damage to the cell phone while replacing the LCD. To begin replacing the LCD, I first need to disassemble the components that need to be removed so we can install the new LCD properly. As we continue with this video, I would like to ask for the support of everyone watching. If possible, please support my YouTube channel so I can reach a wider audience. This will also serve as motivation for me to create more tutorial videos that will not only benefit me but also help others. And here we are, I've finished replacing the LCD on my client's cell phone. I thought everything would go smoothly after the careful and meticulous process. However, unfortunately, the S Pen is not working. But before addressing that, I'll test the other functions of the unit first. It seems that the other functions of the cell phone are working fine. Everything is functioning properly, except for the S Pen. I initially thought that restarting the unit would solve the issue, but even after restarting, the S Pen still didn't work. The only solution now is to transfer the original S Pen module and test it again to see if it will work. As we are in the middle of our video, for those who wish to have their cell phones, laptops, MacBooks, or desktops repaired, no matter where you are in the world, please don't hesitate to approach our office. You can also send us an email or contact our company number, which you can find at the top of our screen. SCJ Repair Shop promises that we will provide excellent solutions to any issues you have with your gadgets. And there you have it. After I transferred the original S Pen sensor module to the new LCD that we installed, the S Pen is now working. And at this moment, I believe all the functions of this unit have been restored, and even improved compared to its original state. I hope that in this short time, we were able to learn something. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you can stay updated on our future videos. SCJ Repair Shop has prepared a lot to expand our knowledge about repairing gadgets. We hope that each one of us can be an instrument of goodness by helping others without expecting anything in return. Allow us to take care of your gadgets, and you will be our guest. And hopefully, one of those we have saved. Belated Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to everyone. See you again. Bye bye.